How can you know what someone's true intentions are? Alice was the babysitter of a young girl with a severe incurable illness. They developed a strong bond. Alice was almost like a sister to her and her only close friend. But once the young girl's illness got worse, and she had to be taken off life support, the mother didn't eat or sleep for days. The father was inconsolable. Until one day, the father called Alice over. He said they needed some help to get the daughter's room remodeled. He said that her mother couldn't stand to look at it anymore. Every night before bed, they could hear their dead daughter's cries, coming from her old room. But things became quickly even more terrifying. They went to the young girl's room and said that they had to knock a wall down in order to remodel it. So together all three of them got to work. Then the dad asked if they needed some water. Alice said sure. So the parents went to go get it, but as soon as they came back, Alice was shocked. They were wearing gas masks and sprayed a substance into Alice's face. She blacked out. When she woke up, the hole in the wall that she had knocked down was covered in bricks entirely. The door and the window also bricked up. She began banging on the wall screaming for help. And from the other side, she heard the faint voices of the dead girl's parents say, "We're sorry, but she need you forever."